Are you stopping by for the very first time? Are you tuning into my channel for the very first time? Then you are highly welcome to my channel. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And don't forget to like, share, and also comment. Please subscribe to my channel as well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own repair black soap. This one is a repairing black soap. Yes, if your skin is damaged or you want to get a repair black soap, you can do it and bring me your testimony. This soap is very good. Better still, you can do it and sell. Guys, yes, this soap is a repairing black soap. Yes, guys. So get a clean sanitized bowl. After getting a clean sanitized bowl, then you get one black soap, big size or medium size. Any black soap will do, please. Yes, get one. After getting your black soap, please make sure to cramp it into pieces and put it in your bowl, or mash it into your bowl. Mash the black soap into the bowl, the container. Then you add in your shea butter. I'm talking about the normal shea butter, as you know. Yes, add in 30 ml of your shea butter, 2 tablespoons of our shea butter. One thing I love about shea butter is moisturize the skin. Yes, one factor, it heals the skin and it smoothens the skin. So for shea butter, we are going to add in 30 ml. 30 ml of our shea butter, guys. Yes, 2 tablespoons of our shea butter is okay. So add in 2 tablespoons of your shea butter. Add it to the black soap, the mashed black soap. After adding this one, then you add in your neem powder. Neem powder treats the skin. You can also add in your neem juice, 30 ml of your neem juice, or 2 tablespoons of your neem juice, or neem oil, any of it. If you have the oil, if you have the juice or the powder, you can add it. Neem treats the skin. Yes, it treats the skin from any problem like rashes. It treats it very well. Then you add in your oat powder. Oat powder, we are talking about the normal oat, the oat that we have in our house. Yes, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of it. Please, you can blend some, making it a powdered form. Then you add in only 2 tablespoons. Only 2 tablespoons of our oat flour. Only 2 tablespoons of our oat powder. 30 ml of our oat powder. This maintenance or this repair black soap, you can do it and use it. Yes, anyone can do it. Then you add in your gram flour. Gram flour is very good. Yes, this powder exfoliates the skin and also it glows the skin. It's very good for the face. So please, guys, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons to the mixture. 2 tablespoons of this gram flour or basin flour. We are going to add in 2 tablespoons. Guys, only 2 tablespoons. If you have watched my video to this part and you have not subscribed to my channel, please be part of our family. Yes, guys, then we are going to add in our honey. Honey moisturizes the skin. It also heals the skin. So for honey, we are going to add in 100 ml of our honey. Honey is very good for your skin. Honey is very good. You can also even add in honey to your lotion. Yes, it moisturizes the skin. It's very good. So for honey, we are going to add in 100 ml to our mixture. Then we add in our turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, almighty turmeric. As you all know, yes, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of our turmeric. Please, yes, 2 tablespoons of our turmeric powder. If you have the turmeric juice there, you can also add it. Turmeric juice, add in 30 ml of your turmeric juice. If you have the powder, add 2 tablespoons of your turmeric powder. Then you are way to go. Mash the soap very well. Mash the soap before you add in your coconut oil. Coconut oil, we are going to add in 20 ml. Coconut oil, we have 2 different kinds. We have the cold and we have the hot. Add in any of it. Coconut oil is also very good. It treats the skin. Add in 20 ml of your coconut oil. Yes, add in 20 ml. One thing I love about coconut oil, it's very good to hot chocolate skin. It's very good. If you have chocolate skin or hot chocolate skin, Please try to incorporate products with coconut oil and your skin will pop up. Yes, guys. After adding your 20 ml of your coconut oil, then you add in your vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also minimizes stretch marks, skin problems. So it's very, very good. It's also smoothing and moisturizing the skin. So for vitamin E oil, we are going to add in 10 to 15 ml. 10 to 15 ml of our vitamin E oil. Our next ingredient will be our lemon juice. Lemon juice exfoliates the skin. It brightens or lightens the skin. It glows the skin. So guys, for lemon juice, we are going to add in 60 ml. Yes, 60 ml of our lemon juice. So add in 60 ml of your lemon juice. After adding the lemon juice, then you add in your preservative. Please remember this soap goes with water. So we are adding in the preservative to preserve this soap for longer period. So we are going to add in 15 ml of our preservative. 15 ml of our preservative or 1 tablespoon of our preservative to this soap. After adding in your preservative, you can also add in your fragrance. Please, if you have it, you can add in any fragrance of your choice. Yes, any fragrance of your choice. Then you add in. After adding it, please make sure to mix it very well. Mix it to become soft and start using it to clear your skin, to treat your skin. Guys, let us repair our skin with this soap. Yes, repair your skin with this soap. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, please like this video and share this video to your friend, your family, your siblings, anybody you can share my videos with. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.